Aloha everyone. So a couple days ago I released a new video of an updated aerial tour of Lahaina. The drone footage showed the progress that Lahaina town has made just 1 year after the devastating fire. In that video, I shared a lot of statistics about how far we've come with the cleanup process, and I highlighted the fact that we're over 98% complete with the cleanup of ash and debris on all the residential lots in town. So now that we're wrapping up the cleanup phase, the attention will start to shift to the rebuilding phase. Now, one key piece of information I didn't have when I was prepping for that last video was the exact number of building permits that have already been issued for Lahaina residents to start rebuilding their homes. Well, after I released that last video, a viewer reached out to me to show exactly where that information can be accessed. You can actually find the updated permitting statistics right on the Maui Recovers website. I'll share a link in the description below in case you want to see the updated information for yourself, as I'm told that they are updated very frequently. Now, as you can see, at the time of recording, 105 properties have submitted for applications for building permits. Now, some properties will have multiple building permits per property, so there is actually 129 total building permits that have been submitted. Out of the building permits submitted, 45 have been approved on 36 different properties. And one property in Lahaina has officially completed construction. Now, I'm sure a lot of people will see these numbers and question why the rebuild is progressing so slowly. And I guess I can't help but agree. I also wish that my latest aerial tour would have shown more construction in progress. That being said, though, I think it's important to keep in mind that it does take a while for each phase to build momentum. Looking back on my previous aerial tours of Lahaina, the removal of ash and debris didn't even get started until January, as you can see from this clip of Shark Pit neighborhood at the beginning of the year. It took several months to ramp up the pace of removal. The clip of the same neighborhood taken in March shows very few lots have been cleared a few months later. However, by August, almost all the residential properties in town had been cleared. Here's the same progression as seen from the Waiakuli neighborhood, starting with a clip in January. Not much progress is shown in March, but by the beginning of August, almost every lot was cleared. So it's my hope that we see the same improvement in increased pace during the rebuilding phase as we did during the cleanup. And hopefully when I do another drone tour this time next year, we'll see hundreds of homes under construction and completed. One thing that's for certain, I'll keep you updated every step of the way. So that's all for this really quick update. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see y'all in the next video. Aloha.